I'm sitting in a 2018 Toyota RAV4. This is a key version. We have no keys. We're going to reset the immobilizer and learn one master key. I'm going to show you how to close the cycle out if using less than 2 master keys and a valet key. So, put the key in, turn it on. Your security light is right up here. You can see it's flashing because it's not programmed. Go to Toyota. RAV4, key coding 18, immobilizer 3H. We're going to do service functions, reset immobilizer, yes, yes. Procedures complete. You can see that the security light is now on. What we'll do is go to learn master key now. Take the key out, turn it back to on. It's in there. Once that happens, you can see the security light will start flashing. Once I press enter, the security light will go solid and you can enter your keys. If you're doing less than 2 masters and a valet, all you have to do is cycle the ignition 5 times. There's the light. There's your key. I'm going to turn it off to on 5 times with the camera on the security light. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Light is out. Regardless of what the screen says here, you're done. If you're only doing that one key, take your key, put it back in, lights out, vehicle starts, and you're all done.